time, thank you for tuning in. Today we are in Mogadishu, Somalia, a city of culture, of flavor, and rising elegance. Today's video is about the top 5 most luxurious rooftop cafes. So without further ado, I want you guys to check out all 5 of these and let me know which one is the best for views, which is the best for coffee, which is the best for tea. So let's check it out. This is gonna be one of the best places for you and your husband, you and your wife to take photos when you come. You can take great couples photos here, nice backgrounds. Check out all of the greenery. There's many different seating areas. So this is packed at nighttime, especially when there's a football game that's going on. So you can see the Banadir Mall sign here. So when you look over, you can peek over. A lot of times there's gonna be a lot of looty games going on over there. Nice AstroTurf football fields. Sit here, have your fruit, your food, your tea. And I like this cabana area over here. No matter the weather, you have a nice shaded area to come and enjoy. All these lights for at night. All of the signs be well lit. So let's see. And this is a beautiful seating area here. Private seating area at night for couples. See, 2x2, 3 beautiful couples can come sit here and enjoy this private space. Wow. So the good thing about this here, guys, is all of the views. So if you look in the background, you can see a lot of nice apartments here. Top floor is $700 for the apartment. Then we have brand new apartments over to the right. So when it's complete, there's gonna be apartments right behind. So you'll be right on the outside of the cafe. You'll be able to look over from your window and see just how filled it is. So let's keep going. So then over in this area we have, let's see, what is in here? So this is the exit. So that's a nice exit. Another private seating area over here. So these are big lush seating areas, super comfortable. So here we have all of the setup for the cakes, the pies, ice cream, tea, anything that you want. They have juice, whatever you need here. Be comfortable. Another inside seating area that's covered from the sun. So no matter what time of day you come, you'll be able to enjoy outside and not be in the heat. So check it out. Pizza is always the answer. All right, guys, so let me know. Drop down in the comments where you think this rates on the top 5 list, and we'll keep going to the next stop. All right, guys, so the next place that we're at is Muniza Rest. So this is another one of the top 5 cafe restaurants here in Mogadishu in the city center. So this is a beautiful rooftop. As you can see, has the AstroTurf and the tiles see all of the fresh flowers and check out the views. So let's start over here on this side. You can see many new buildings under construction in the background. Check that out. Over here, you see the car park and another main street. You see, for this building, there's 360-degree cameras, so it's super safe. Everything is under CCTV. Over on this side, you can see soccer fields, and looting tables below. So check out this area for dining, for tea, pastries, covered. So this will block out all of the sun on those hot days. Check out more of the new construction in the background. All right, let's make our way to the next section over here. So this is another section. Now, mind you, we're shooting this during the daytime, guys, because I want to give you guys a clear view of what it looks like. At night, this is going to be well lit, really packed. So many people here, right? So I just want to give you guys a feel for some of these best cafes to come to and what the views here will look like. So check out this heart here. You and your wife, you and your husband can come here and take beautiful pictures. So again, guys, this is Muniza Rest. Check out all of the lounging areas. Super affordable food, tea, and a great place to have a date night. So come check it out soon and tell them Mr. Empower sent you. All right, guys, so this is the interior, the inside of Muniza Rest. So it has the big ACs in here. As you can see, super cool, super comfortable. Check out all of the leather seats, fine dining setup tables, ice cream, sweets, sodas, tea, coffee, cake, whatever you guys need. So this is definitely one of the top 5 cafe restaurants in all of Mogadishu. Check out the order center. Another video shoot going on. All the sweets. Alright guys, so what do you think? What will you rate out of the top 5? Where does Muniza Rest sit in the pecking order? Let me know. Drop it down in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's keep going. So here is another cool area to take photos. Save those memories when you come out on date night. So it's here on the 5th floor, and this is where you will check in when you first come in. This is the VIP buffet. That's all you'll do here. You'll come, check in, say I'm a party of 4, I'm a party of 5. We would like to either come to the VIP buffet area, all you can eat, or we would like to go to the rooftop. We would like to dine inside. So there's multiple options for you guys, and it's all up to you. Alright guys, next on the list is Town View. So Town View is another great cafe and bistro right here in the center of the city here in Mogadishu. So the view is spectacular. So we have a great view of some of the historical architecture here. This giant roundabout that you guys see. So this is a great spot for early morning or the evening, because then the sun won't be right above you guys, but nonetheless still a really great location. So let's check out some of the views here. What I really think is cool is this hallway. So we have current and former presidents here. Check out all of the great leaders, right? So here we have the masjid, kitchen, and food coming down, the welcome center and elevators. So then here is Rooftop Cafe. So this is going to show you some of the great views of the city. You can sit here, enjoy your food, enjoy your tea. And this is the covered area. So during the day when the sun is right above, you guys can come sit here. You don't have to worry about the sun. So let's check out other inside seating area. Town View Cafe and Restaurant. So when you come in here, guys, you have puff-puffs, you have all of the lattes, the chai, the coffee that you can get, right? And some of the great views. Here, all of the new construction in the city. It's great to see. And new construction underway here. A large property was just bought, so I'm excited to see what's coming next. Alright, so let me know what you guys rate this cafe rooftop. What do you guys think compared to the rest of the list? Alright guys, so here we are at Banadir View. So this is one of my top 5 favorite cafes that has an amazing rooftop. I want to show you guys some of the views from the outside balcony. So this is overlooking a large portion of the city center. So to the right you can see Hayat Market, which is the biggest grocer in Mogadishu. Below we have a bunch of banks. We have My Bank, Sam Bank, IBS Bank down the road. So we have a nice masjid here. We have to our right over here more views of the city. So let's actually go inside and check out the Banadir View Café. So here's where I've been sitting. Just had my shabby geese. You can see the outside view. Very beautiful interior. It's a great spot to sit and relax. Has nice wind. You come get your teas, your soda, your juice. Other views of the city. Alright guys, so let me know what you think. Alright, so now this one's a little further. Got the back by Enzo Home. So the top of that is going to be Muniza Cafe. But now we're headed to Bayan Ini. There's going to be a really cool cafe over here that has some of the most spectacular views of any cafe in the city. So inshallah we'll be there in a few minutes. Check out this tuk-tuk ride on the way. Alright guys, so the next location is Bayan in Bayan Ini. So all of the hot tea, hot coffee, chocolate base, all the different flavors for iced coffee and tea, matcha, all of the pastries, cookies, cakes. There was shawarma there, like somebody bought the shawarma, had some chicken there. So this is the view inside of Bayan. So you can see the ocean, parts of the old city. You see the street below. But check out the artwork. Alright, let's see guys. More views down on this side. So that is a really old Catholic church that is still partially standing. I believe from the 70s, right? Check that out. And let's see, there's another section back here, guys. So this is another quiet area in here that you can come and sit, come do your homework, study, have a meeting. Alright guys, so let me know where this rates on the top 5 list of all of the rooftop cafes that we've shown in this vlog today. Let me know down in the comments. This is number 1 through number 5. And inshallah, we'll see you guys next time on the next video that we post. So until then, peace. What'd you say?
Like and comment and subscribe.
Yeah guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Inshallah, we'll see you next time. Peace.